Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is the corresponding video to that Facebook pic I put up about the TV. Alright, so let's get started. Today I have this TV, this JVC TV, 32-inch. She turns on, she pops up the TV logo, and what happens is that she goes black, but you do hear sound. Alright, so here we go. There goes the green light indicating that the TV's on. There goes the JVC logo from the TV manufacturer, and right now you don't hear nothing, but in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 you should be able to hear the TV now. There it goes. I don't know if you can hear that. Well, that's what I get from this TV. Alright, I get no picture, but I get sound out of it. Let's lower that. Today, I'm gonna replace the actual backlights on this TV. Let me show you how they look. On some TVs, they look alike. On other TVs, they look totally different. On some TVs, I don't think they'll be this large, but other TVs they'll be like halfway. It'll be like the board will be halfway. On other TVs it'll be like 2 of these. On once there'll be like 2, 4. It'll be like 6 on this side and 6 on the other side of the TV. So those are your backlights right here. These things. All right. This is what powers the backlight on the TV. Better said. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing up this board today and see what happens. I'll get back to y'all and see y'all later. Alright, just to let y'all know, this is the new backlight board. Alright, the old one is still right there in its place. This is the new one. I'm going to replace it in a few minutes and let y'all know how it went. Alright, as you can see, I pulled out the old board already. I popped in the new board. Screwed it down just it could be in place. What happened to the old board was that this mini resistor right here popped and actually burnt the board, so that's why the backlights don't work. If you can see here, it actually burnt it out. See how it bubbled up? Yeah, it was a real bad burn. Can't say really what it caused it, but yeah, it just burnt out. With the new one in, TV's already plugged in and everything else. Let's see what happens now. Sorry. There goes my daughter talk about she finished her homework. Good. Alright. So let's see what happens now to this TV. There she goes, turns on. The symbol comes up. The logo pops up. It's staying on a little bit longer than usual. Because remember before, see, bloop, it'll go off right away. And I should get a picture anytime now. And there goes the picture. Alright. So that's what happens with these TVs. That these boards go out. And a lot of people don't know it. Actually, I paid $16.99 for this board. All right, that was a $16 fix. All right, people usually spend almost $200-300 on getting these TV fixed. So, if any questions, give me a call, hit me up on Facebook or whatever, and keep in touch. Goodbye.